Introduce highlight features or overview summary for SWSOEZYT Tumbler Heat Press, Sublimation Mug Press Machine for straight tumblers 30, 20, and 16 ounces, ceramic mugs 15 ounces. Glasses 11 ounces, jars cans, DIY heating transfer print with temperature time setting. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Premium Sublimation Heat Press. Very durable structure. The net weight of the Sublimation Heat Press is 16.27 pounds or 7.38 kilograms, length detachable heating attachment, and the diameter range is 2.65 to 3.4 inches. The tumbler mug press is widely suitable for 12 to 30 ounces straight skinny sublimation tumblers, 16 to 30 ounce glasses, 11 to 16 ounces can coolers, mugs, and other straight water bottles. Efficient work. Making a 30 ounces tumbler with 1 minute, the sublimation heat press can transfer tumblers faster and heat more evenly than the ovens. It only takes 1 minute to transfer a straight tumbler, water bottle, or cooler can, takes 3 minutes to finish 2 mugs or ceramic mugs, sublimation heat press 2 mugs at a time. And 4 minutes for glasses. If the tumbler is with a full wrap, it's recommended to rotate it 180 degrees and heat press for 1 minute again. Accurate setting. The glass heat press machine supports 0 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit temperature and 0 to 999 second countdown, precise settings for different sizes and kinds of tumblers, glasses, cans, and cups. It adopts automatic timing. When you pull down the handle, it will automatically start working, and there will be beep reminders when the DIY job finish. Easy and safe operation. This cup heat press machine fully adopts lever theory design. Operation is more labor saving. Handle adopts is non-slip design, and the bottom of the machine equipped with a non-slip foot pad, which is safer to use. Operation screen is the latest digital screen. 3 operation buttons on the screen only, make things sample. DIY personalized gifts. The sublimation heat press machine can help you DIY your children, wife, friends, favorite stars, or patterns you like on your tumblers, mugs, cups or cans. It will be very interesting experience. You can customize many gifts for club activities, campus matches, and some social activities. It is suitable for souvenirs and advertising promotions also. That will be a very surprising gift for birthdays, anniversaries, retirements, Halloween, and Christmas Day. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.